My topic today is chronic pelvic pain. Let's break this whole chronic pelvic pain into three parts. Let's understand what chronic is. Chronic मतलब long term, लंबा समय के लिए. अब साइंस के अकॉर्डिंग लंबा समय इज समथिंग जो विच इज़ प्रिवेलेंट इन योर बॉडी फॉर 3 months और मोर. पेल्विक मतलब पेल्विक रीजन, आपके नाभि के नीचे वाला रीजन अप टिल योर बटॉक्स एंड योर वजाइनल एरिया, वी कैन से फेयरली लोअर एब्डोमेन along with your vaginal buttock area would entail as a pelvic region. Also it involves the both sides of your hip bones also. And pain मतलब it is an unpleasant sensation in the body. मतलब body में कहीं कुछ हो रहा है, the nervous system is carrying that sensation up to your brain, which the brain is saying that this is not good and that's why you feel it as pain. Unpleasant sensations can be multiple. जैसे some touch, like a burning sensation is also not a very pleasant sensation, but you can differentiate between a burning sensation and you can differentiate between a pain sensation. So what differentiates that is your brain. So pain is basically a symptom. So chronic pelvic pain basically means pain which is there in your pelvic region for almost 3 months or more, and this particular thing is a problem. That problem is basically for the gynecologist to find out after taking a proper history and examination कि ये पेन कहाँ से आ रहा है, क्यों आ रहा है. तो ये जो मैंने पेल्विक रीजन जो आपको बताया है, इसमें बहुत कुछ होते हैं. ये पेल्विक रीजन में आपके यूरिनरी ब्लैडर होता है, वेयर योर विच द bag which holds your urine and from where you pass your urine. You also have your uterus, you have your cervix, you have your ovaries, you have your fallopian tubes. You also have your rectum and anal area wherein you pass stools. This is only the organs which I am talking about. ये सब organs are held and there is a sheath which covers it, which is called the peritoneum. Then ये सारे all of this is held by muscles and ligaments. How do you confine the pelvic region? In the pelvic bones. आपके जो hip bones हम बोलते हैं, तो problem आपके hip bones में हो सकता है, उसके आजू बाजू के muscles, ligaments, joints उसमें हो सकती है. So there can be multiple problems in this particular small area. Now by taking very deep history, you can come to and reach to a diagnosis कि पेल्विक रीजन के इस पर्टिकुलर जगह में प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, किस टाइप का पेन है, कहाँ पेन हो रहा है, क्यों पेन हो रहा है, कहाँ से उत्पन्न हो रही है ये पेन, ये सब हम पिन पॉइंट ऑन अ फेयरली बेसिस. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स you can. Once you do that, then you do an examination, then you do some radiological tests like MRI, ultrasound to see and to verify whether you are correct or not. Also, you have to do good number of nervous system examination, and after you have made your diagnosis, you do the treatment. Now, a lot of times either there is no treatment available, or you're not able to reach your diagnosis, or you are confused because इतना छोटा problem होता है, but in your brain it is amplified, which is very much normal. So then at that particular point of time, we also send you to only the pain specialist, wherein she treats you, or he or she treats you only for the pain aspect of it, may not be able to treat you for the cause of it. So there are multiple things involved. So if you do have pain in this area and which is long and prolonged, and whatever you do, you are not able to get relief, it is a very wise idea to go to your gynecologist and go with time. Let her take the full history, let her do the full examination, let her come to a diagnosis, and then we can start your treatment. Thank you.